Hey everyone, and welcome to my page. I'm Lauren Kidd. I'm a business and success coach for the busy mompreneur. I help moms scale their businesses while being present in their kids' lives. I'm so excited that you're here. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit subscribe and check out all the new updates that you'll see on Monday. Also, I am pretty much a one-trick pony. I don't enjoy editing videos, so what you see is what you get. Today we're going to talk about how to stand out online, because who wants to get lost in the sea that is social media, right? Okay, so standing out online. This seems impossible for so many people, but I'm going to tell you a secret. Ready? It's not impossible. Actually, it's super simple. The way to stand out is to be authentic. Be you. Be excited about what it is that you're sharing. It doesn't matter what it is you're sharing. It doesn't matter what platform that you're on. It doesn't matter what you sell. Be you. Be authentic. Be amazing. And people will flock to you. There are so many people out there today selling content. Okay? It's already created for you. All you have to do is copy and paste. They're selling stock images for you. And you're like, yeah, this is going to be so easy. I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to succeed. It's going to be amazing. Here's the problem. Everybody and their brother and sister wants to take the shortcut. Everybody and their brother and sister is going to be buying the pre-made content. Okay, so what's the big deal? They can buy it too, right? Here's the thing. If Susan and Sharon and Karen are all posting the exact same thing you're posting, how is that going to make you look? The answer is it's going to make you look generic. So don't do it. Don't buy pre-made content. Pro tip, don't buy pre-made content. Create content that is yours, that is genuine, that is authentic, that sounds like you. Content doesn't have to be hard. Don't panic. Don't panic. I have been teaching content for almost 10 years. It doesn't have to be hard. I love content creation. If you struggle with content creation, I have something that's going to help you. Content is Cash Academy. You're going to love it. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to drop the link below. Go check it out. If you've ever struggled with creating content that sells, high value content that draws your audience into you, no matter what your platform, and has them dying to buy from you, check out Content is Cash Academy below the video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here. Okay, so because I love content so much, I want to give you 4 ways that you can stand out online. Okay, are you ready? 1, identify who your audience is. Who do you help? What does your ideal client look like? What are their biggest problems? It's even okay to identify who you don't want to work with. This is one of the biggest hangups I had when I started my business. I don't want to say I don't want to work with people, because isn't that going to narrow down my audience, my targets, my whoever I'm selling to? No, it just means that you're not right for everybody, and everybody's not right for you. Trust me, you're going to go through those clients who you simply are like, oh my God, is this over? We all go through it. We all go through it. It's just a rite of passage. But it is okay to identify who you don't want to work with. But knowing who you are working with and who you do mesh with is going to make your content creation that much easier. Number 2, determine your value. What are you sharing with your audience? What changes is your audience going to see when they work with you? How are they going to feel when they work with you? What is it that sets you apart from everybody else in your social network? No matter what your business is, you have your own value to share. Just because what you're selling is similar to what Susan is selling or what Karen is selling doesn't mean people aren't going to buy from you. You are amazing, and people love you for you, and they're going to buy from you because you're you. Tip number 3, pick your content topics. Okay, again, this is not scary. And if this seems really scary, check out Content is Cash Academy. Super affordable. It's going to be amazing. Lots of content, lots of trainings, lots of videos, lots of workbooks. It's going to be so simple for you. Link below. But tip number 3, pick your content. Pick your content topics. When it comes to sharing, you have to have certain things in mind. So for me, in my wheelhouse, I have a few particular things that I love to teach on, and that's what I share. And it all leads them back to my one-on-one coaching. So let's just pick an example. Let's just say I'm a chicken farmer. So maybe I am an amazing chicken farmer and I am truly great at yielding a lot of hatchlings versus other farmers who have some hatchlings but not a whole lot of them survive. Full disclosure, I have no idea what I'm talking about. But things that you might cover if you're a chicken farmer. And if you are a chicken farmer, I totally want to hear from you. Drop your comments below. Because I, for some reason, am obsessed with talking about chicken farming as examples. Okay, back to the topic. Some potential topics if you're a chicken farmer. 1, heat lamps for hatchlings. 2, wired coops versus wood coops. Number 3 could be elevated or ground level coops. Maybe your 4th one is the different types of feed for hatchlings. Again, I'm not a chicken farmer. I truly don't know the first thing about chicken farming. But when it comes to creating content, I can truly create content out of anything. And it's so easy to break it down. Again, click the link below. And then the 4th tip, post original content. Now that you know that you're sharing, remember tip 3, pick your content. Now that you know what you're sharing, I want to say that you must share original content. It's, like I said, easy to buy the pre-made stuff. It's only a few bucks, maybe $50 to buy pre-made stock stuff. But again, when you buy that pre-made content, it's simply copy and paste, and your audience isn't hearing you. They're not connecting with you. They don't get to know you personally. They're hearing content that was created in somebody else's voice. That's it. Stand out online. Stand on your own 2 feet. If you're looking for a free workbook on how to stand out online, I'll drop that link below as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I would love to know in the comment section below, how do you currently stand out right now online? See you next time.